With just 3 onions, mosquitoes will disappear immediately. Hello everyone, it's Nancy here. Today I'm going to share a few easy mosquito-repelling methods using simple ingredients that many people already have at home. They're practical, affordable, and best of all, you don't have to deal with the smell of strong chemical sprays, yet the results may surprise you. Let's get started. For the first mosquito-repelling method, the main ingredient you need is onions. I'm going to use 3 dry onions and peel off the skin. Next, chop them into a heat-safe plate or metal container. Then add coffee grounds on top. Make sure the coffee evenly covers the onion skins like this. Onion skins and coffee both release strong natural aromas when heated. Mosquitoes are very sensitive to these smells and tend to avoid smoky areas. Coffee grounds also burn slowly, helping the mixture last longer, while the onion skins create a light smoky scent that makes outdoor spaces feel more pleasant. The next step is the most important one. Carefully light the mixture using a lighter or a match. The mixture should not burst into flames. Instead, it should burn slowly and gently, creating a thin stream of smoke. As the smoke slowly spreads through the air, the strong smell from the onion skins and coffee begins to repel mosquitoes surprisingly quickly. This smoke is much gentler than chemical sprays, but it still works very well for outdoor sitting areas or small spaces around the house. Now place the container in a safe spot such as near a doorway, balcony, patio, or beside an open window where mosquitoes often gather in the evening. After a short time, you may notice fewer mosquitoes flying around, making the space feel much quieter and more comfortable, especially during relaxing evenings at home. Do you have any mosquito-repelling methods at home? Please share your effective mosquito tips with me in the comments. Now I'm going to make a natural mosquito-repelling mixture using simple ingredients that are easy to find in most kitchens. Start with about 200 milliliters of warm water. Next, add 1 tablespoon of dried basil. Basil is well known as a natural mosquito-repelling herb because its leaves contain aromatic oils that mosquitoes strongly dislike. Now add a small amount of apple cider vinegar or regular vinegar. Vinegar has a strong sour smell that mosquitoes do not like. It may also help reduce or mask the natural body odors that often attract mosquitoes in the first place. This is one reason vinegar has been used in homemade insect remedies for many years. The final ingredient is fresh lemon juice. Cut the lemon in half and set 1/2 aside. I'll use it for the next method. Now take the other half of the lemon and squeeze the juice into the mixture we just made. Lemons contain natural aromatic compounds like limonene. Mosquitoes usually dislike strong citrus scents, so lemon is a simple but very useful ingredient in this mixture. After adding all the ingredients, stir the mixture well and let it sit for about 1 hour until the liquid cools. This gives the ingredients time to blend together naturally. Then strain out the herbs and fruit pulp. At this point, you can pour the mixture into a spray bottle for easier use. You can lightly spray this mixture around the room near windows or around outdoor seating areas. If you enjoy picnics, camping, or hiking, this can be a wonderful natural alternative to strong chemical mosquito sprays sold in stores. Simply spray lightly around your seating area, tent, or even onto clothing. The fresh herbal and citrus aroma helps make the area less attractive to mosquitoes, without the harsh chemical smell found in many sprays. Look at this. As the fragrance spreads through the air, mosquitoes immediately stay away from you. Isn't that amazing? If mosquitoes often appear in your bedroom at night, especially when there is a baby or young child in the house, this next tip may be very helpful. Mosquito bites can be especially uncomfortable for babies because their skin is much more sensitive. A simple way to help repel mosquitoes is by using lemon and cloves. Do you remember the half lemon I set aside earlier? Gently press a few whole cloves into the inside of the lemon. You can place the cloves across the surface of the lemon so the natural fragrance spreads more evenly. When lemon and cloves are combined, they release a strong, fresh scent into the air. The citrus smell mixed with the warm, spicy aroma of cloves creates a scent that mosquitoes usually find very unpleasant. Place the lemon near a bedside table, close to a window, or in the corners of the room where mosquitoes often gather in the evening. What I like about this method is that it feels simple, gentle, and safer around small children. The room smells fresh and pleasant instead of having a strong or harsh chemical odor. If you find any method that works well for your family, give it a try and come back to let me know the results. Sometimes small habits like these can help create a calmer space for sleeping, relaxing, or spending time with family outdoors. I hope these simple mosquito tips help make your home feel more peaceful and allow you to enjoy warm evenings in a more comfortable and natural way. Thank you for staying with me today, and I'll see you again in the next video.